The Ivess lock is a keyless patio sliding door lock and anti-lifting device. This is a new and innovative device that prevents a sliding door from being lifted off from the outside, and it can also lock your door in the closed or open position to control the movement of pets or small children. To remove the Ivess lock from the packaging, press the top two front corners with your thumbs and push out the back of the pack. The Ivess lock comes pre-packed with one locking device, two self-drilling screws and one installation template with the fitting instructions in the back. Fold the template along the dotted line. This will replicate the sitting position of the Ivess lock. Place the lock body and template on the door saddle in a predefined position. Slide the door to make sure that it does not come in contact with the lock and then lock the door. Remove the lock from the template and drill the pre-marked holes out to 3 millimeters. Remove the template and drill the lock receiver hole out to 5 millimeters and then drill the same hole out to 9 millimeters, then tilting the drill bit to the approximate angle of the locking pin. Place the lock into position with the pin in the receiver hole, then using the two self-drilling screws provided, fix the Ivess lock down using a posi drive screwdriver to hand-tight tension. Operating the Ivess lock couldn't be easier. To open, pull the plunger back and turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. To close, turn the plunger until it injects into the door. The Ivess lock can also be used as an extra lock on the top of the door frame for added security. The Ivess lock, as featured on Dragon's Den, is 100% Irish manufactured.